Effective techniques for keeping your baby asleep. Baby Sleep Miracle is an easy-to-follow guidebook created by Mary-Ann Schuler, a psychologist and mother of two, to help parents with sleep problems. The book is based on extensive research and provides advice on how to train babies to sleep, as well as answers to questions about their sleeping patterns. It discusses the importance of sleep in a child's development and the dangers of sleep deprivation. It is divided into 9 sections according to the American Academy of Pediatrics and provides soundtracks to help babies sleep. Many customers have claimed it works and it is a great value for money. Baby Sleep Miracle is designed for parents of infants, toddlers, young children, special needs children, and multiple children. It is a comprehensive program that can be tailored to the individual needs of each family. Baby Sleep Miracle can also lead to more time for self-care. The program helps parents create a personalized sleep plan for their baby, which can lead to improved sleep for babies. This can lead to more time for self-care, as parents are able to spend more time on their own needs and interests. To purchase, click the link in comments, get your downloads instantly. Please, like, share, subscribe. Bye now.